Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at this gorgeous 2026 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. It's in the beautiful platinum color with black accents like the powder coating on the hardtop, the black power pole, and the engines. Going to give you a really unique look that's going to turn heads wherever you go. If you look at the front seating area up here, you'll see this expansive sun lounge and casting deck when you remove the cushions. This section right here is removable. It also comes up as a table as well. And if you'd like some comfort and want to lay out, you've got headrests that raise up on either side. Nice little lounging area up here. And of course, the signature sun lounger in front of the console. Lots of room up here, tons of comfort, and check out this storage down below. This is where the table will store right here, nice and convenient. You can put fishing rods through into the console and lock this area, so you've got nice lockable storage here. This is a fantastic feature. I'm going to walk around to the back of the boat, and you're going to see the swim platform or swim patio right here on the port side. Great for hanging out at the sandbar. This is a really neat feature of this boat. It's a signature item. There's nothing else like it. Another cool feature on this boat is the seating back here in the cockpit that converts from fishing platform right here when we've got it laid down. And then check out this huge bench seat with a nice high backrest that keeps you nice and secure. You're in the center of the boat. It's a great, safe place to ride. This is another signature option on the Boston Whaler, is this incredible convertible helm seat. So right now we've got it facing forward with the flip up bolsters. I'm at the helm. I've got my twin Simrad displays here, the joystick piloting for the twin 300 Mercury engines, digital controls, VHF radio, tilt steering, and of course flip up bolsters where you can sit up, have a nice seat. You can see the high back on it, super comfortable. But wait, there's more. Check out this convertible lounger. The helm seat rotates aft, and now you've got a great area to hang out on the boat, great conversation area. You can still sit up here at the helm and be comfortable, but you've got this beautiful, well-equipped, comfortable cockpit area. Something that's totally unique to Boston Whaler. Of course, the boat's equipped with a nice live well. You've got a raw water washdown and freshwater washdown. And if you'd like to shade this area, there's an electric shade up here that comes all the way out to give you shade over the cockpit. If you'd like to take a sea trial or learn more about this boat, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.